Look at all these guys. Aren't they pretty? Sonoran desert mule deer. VegasBangers nature channel. Look at these guys. Look how pretty it is out here. Got a couple boys in there. Beautiful. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, 9. We got 9 deer coming through the property today. Absolutely just beautiful. We're so blessed to be here. Got the boy over there. I think he's still over there checking things out. Look at the cat. Look at the saguaro. Yeah, the big males right there. There's the females. Here comes the male. Here comes the stud. Oh God, here's 2 of them. There's 10. It's gorgeous. Look at him strutting his stuff. You big boy. Big boy. Look at this guy. Look at this beauty. This is the one right there. There's the stud. I want to catch up to the crew. Oh, and another stud. Look at this guy coming. Oh, man. What was that, 13? Wow. There he is. There's the boy. Wow, look at those guys. Isn't that cool? A little bit of Arizona wildlife. It's a beautiful day out, guys. All right, that was your nature channel. VegasBangers. Everybody take care.